There are two ways to remove items from a dictionary. First, we can use subscript notation like before and set the value equal to nil. A key without a value cannot exist in a dictionary, so by setting the value to nil, we effectively remove the entire key value pair. Okay, so let's take a look at our animal types dictionary, and we see that we put lion inside of it, but set the value equal to mammal, which is not right. So let's go ahead and remove lion altogether. So I'm going to call animal types, and using the subscript notation, I want to access the value at lion, and we're going to set it to nil here. Okay, so what that does is, because the value is nil, it will remove the key from my dictionary. And if we print out my animal types, run the code, we see that lion no longer exists inside of my dictionary. Now, another method that we can use is the remove value for key method. Okay, let me show you how that works. So I'm going to call animal types, period, and then we're going to start typing remove value for key. And we see that this removes the given key and its associated value from the dictionary. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove our dog, and then we can print out our animal types, run the code, and we see that dog is no longer part of our dictionary. Now, why would we want to use this versus just using the subscript notation? Well, the remove value method is nice because it will return the value that you removed, which may or may not be useful if you want to store that value somewhere else in the app, right? So what I could do is I could say let removed animal equal animal types dot remove value for key. Okay, and I could print out animal types. I could also print out my removed animal. And again, that's going to be optional, right? Because I could remove any kind of key. So we could wrap this in an if let, and we could say if let removed animal remove value for key dog. Then we can properly use this and run our code. And we see that we are removing the canine, or the dog, right? And then that dog canine no longer exists inside of my dictionary. So let's go ahead and remove a few friends from our dictionary down here using both of those methods. So using the subscript notation method and then the remove value method. Okay, so let's take a look at how our friends dictionary is doing now. And let's say that we want to remove Fred. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to call our friends location dictionary. We want to access the value at Fred, and we want to set that value equal to nil. Okay, so now if we print out my friends location dictionary, we should see that Fred no longer exists in our dictionary. Okay, and then let's use the remove value method. So we'll go ahead and we'll call our friends location dictionary dot remove value for, and let's take Amanda out of here. And then we'll print out our friends location dictionary, and we should see that Amanda is no longer in our dictionary.